welcome back to Mr. Rogers' Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some chicken nuggets. They've been marinating I guess, in pickle juice for about 48 hours now. But in that pickle juice I also put a packet of Hidden Ranch dip mix. I bought the 4-pack because you're going to use it. So you put a packet of it here in the pickle jar. You can see the chicken in there. It's been, like I said, brining for about 48 hours now. I put a packet in the egg wash, and then I also put 2 packets in the flour. You can't really tell in the flour because it's the same color, but okay. So, like I said, it's been kind of brining in there for about 48 hours, and you don't need that pickle juice anymore. So we're just gonna go ahead and dump it out. And then all you're really gonna do is take your piece of chicken, put it in your egg wash, put it in the flour, and we're gonna do this with multiple pieces just to make it easier for us. Egg wash, flour, put some little pieces, egg wash, flour, egg wash, flour. And then what we're gonna do, put the lid on that, and we're gonna shake it up, okay? And then we find our chicken. We're gonna put it back in. You're gonna do that 3 times with each piece of chicken. Egg wash, flour, egg wash, flour, egg wash, flour, because you want to make sure it's nice and coated really well. So egg wash, flour. You can do it as many times as you want. I just like to do it 3 times because that will, like I said, make sure that breading is good and on there. We'll just go ahead and do it twice. That's fine. And then you'll just set it on that. We're gonna use the air fryer to cook it. So I'm gonna get all this chicken prepped, and then I will put it in the air fryer. I'm gonna put it in there at 390 degrees for about 7 minutes. That should be good. And I'll let you know what it looks like and tastes like when we get done. I'll be back with you here in just a minute. I know you can hear the jet engine heating up back there. That's what it sounds like. That's the Ninja Foodie. I just want to make sure, so I've got all of the chicken breaded. I just want to make sure that everyone understands that when you're dealing with flour, breading of any kind, anything like that, make sure you don't put it down your sink, because then you will essentially turn it into concrete and it's really hard to get out and clean. So make sure if you have any breading left that you put it just in your trash. There's the jet engine taking off. It's heating up to about 390. So I just wanted to make sure that everybody was aware. Do not put the flour down your sink, and put it in your trash bag so that you don't create a problem for yourself going forward. I need to get one of those blender bowls, breading bowls that Ms. Brazel has from Amazon. I'm gonna look for it. I'm gonna get me one of those. So it just let me know that it's ready for me to put the food in there. So I'm gonna pop it in there, and then I will let you know how it comes out. We'll see you in about 8 minutes. All right, it's been in there. I did have to do it a little bit longer, so I flipped it at 8 minutes, and I did it for 8 more minutes. So you see it came out nice and juicy, the crust. I didn't pat my chicken dry when I took it out of the pickle brine, so it didn't adhere as well as it could have, but it's still gonna taste pretty good. We've got some sauces here. It may not look the best, but it tastes like the real deal to me. So it has definitely passed the test. That's something quick and easy that kids will love. And you can make your nuggets smaller. I made mine kind of big, so you can make yours smaller. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts should make about 48-ish nuggets. I am going to have to do 2 batches just because I didn't want to overcrowd it, but again, it turned out perfect to me. Tastes delicious. I hope you try it. I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help. And enjoy. Thank you so much and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.